Hey guys, so we have here some problems with the water flow of the incoming water into our washing machine. So in this video, we want to explain to you how to clean the inlet filter of pretty much any washing machine. So we have already detached the hose from the washing machine for the incoming fresh water. And then here you see this little filter right on top of there, and we can just pull this out with some pliers. Usually they're stuck a little bit, but it should be relatively easy to pull out. So then we're going to take this and just initially inspect it visually, making sure there's no tears in it. And then we're going to just tap it upside down here on the machine, and that will already break loose some of the debris and build up that's clogging our filter. And then next we're going to take a small cup here, like a shot glass, and we're using some white wine vinegar. It's like 5% in this case, and we're going to pour that in there. And then we're just going to drop our filter in here, and we're going to let this sit for quite a while, like give it some 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or you can even do it overnight. Okay, so then next I'm going to take here my old toothbrush, and we're just going to fish out the filter. And then we're going to brush this a little bit, and we're going to start brushing it on the inside of the filter. So not the outside, so it means first the inside, and then we're going to brush the outside, flushing out all the debris. Now we can also take some more vinegar just to make sure to dip the toothbrush in the vinegar and then keep brushing it. And then you should already see significant improvements here, and then there's going to rinse on the running water. Also here again, first the inside of the filter, and then we're going to rinse from the outside of the filter, making sure that everything, all the debris is gone. And once that is done, then we're just going to check that there's no tear in the filter, that the filter is really still fully operational, fully functional. And in case there's a tear, then we have to throw it away and then get a new filter. And then when we want to install it back into the washing machine, all we have to do is just hold it the right way and then just press it in. And that's already it. Just reconnect the water hose and we're all done. Okay, so that was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.